Ladies, be careful with whoever you decide to sleep or share bodily fluids with. You may just wind up another victim of revenge porn like this married woman who cheated on her man and found herself in a fatal attraction type of relationship with a younger guy who video recorded their illicit trysts. Our Ryan Lesigas has more on the entrapment operation in San Pablo, Laguna to nab the guy over charges of blackmail or sextortion.
Walang pinigil sa masama! Daba! 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 Daba!
The man was back naked when the operatives of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group caught him inside a motel in San Pablo, Laguna. The man in the video was the target of an entrapment operation by authorities for a case of grave coercion.
Papaliwanag lang namin sa iyo yung iyong karapatan. Ikaw ay ina-aresto namin sa kasong grave coercion.
Operatives entered the motel after the victim, identified only as Chai, sought help.
Ayon sa investigasyon, nalaman po natin na nagkaroon po sila ng relasyon almost 2 years na po. And sa 2 years na yon ay naging abusive yung lalaki nag-abot na po sa punto na kahit ayaw ng babae ay pinipilit niya po na makipagtalik sa kanya. Kaya po ito ay nag-cause ng anxiety and stress po dun sa victim.
According to PNP ACG spokesperson, Police Lieutenant Walin May Arancilio, the victim had been in a relationship with a 21-year-old suspect known as Cortez. But because the victim has a spouse and child, she decided to end the relationship. However, the suspect refused. He then threatened to spread their sexual videos online if she broke up and left him. This led to the entrapment operation.
Nakaabot po sa point na meron pong matinding pamimilit na makipagtalik po ang victim sa suspect, and also po meron na po silang certain or area kung saan po ito po ay sineschedule ng suspect kung anong oras man po, kung saan lugar man ito, at pinipilit niya po through messages and call po na pumunta at makipagtalik po sa kanya yung victim.
In the same place where their relationship began, it also ended with the arrest of the suspect.
Sa mga kababayan po natin, lalong-lalo na sa mga kababaihan, we must know our worth. Huwag po nating hayaan na abusuhin po tayo ng ibang tao. Kung kayo man po ay nakakaranas ng online harassment and abuse, huwag po kayo magdalawang isip na lumapit sa PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group or tumawag ng 911. Andyan po kami 5 minuto para tulungan ka.
The suspect is now facing charges for violation of Republic Act No. 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.